In this video, I'll talk about how easy is Shopify to use. Now, it took me literally 1 minute to set up my trial account, and you can see I'm already in my admin dashboard. From in here, I can already start adding products, and you can see that I can do everything. I can add apps, I can check everything here, I can add products and everything. So how easy is it to use? I would say Shopify is probably the best or one of the best and one of the most used platforms to make websites and e-commerce stuff that people can buy stuff from. So I would say Shopify is very easy to use. And if you're wondering about something, you can go search for Shopify Help Center, and they have already made a bunch of questions that are already answered, so you will not be left alone. Now, Shopify is really easy to use, guys, so I would really recommend using Shopify. Now, I hope this short video answered some of your questions, and I really hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.